Hello. So today we'll see the third approach of reversing words in string, which is most optimal one that I could have thought, like that I can think and I can explain. So let's see what it is. Let me take you to the screen. Here it is. Reverse words in string. I have read the word, read the question in previous videos. So we have to, if you want to see two approaches, then you can just go and watch it. First approach is name approach that everyone can think. Second approach is the one who knows the string class. Those people can solve it. Then those people may know that, and if you don't know, you have to watch it because it's really fun. Or you can say ki we have solved it in really easy way. That here we have it is like this really small code, and you can solve it in basically in easy way. Now we have a two pointer approach. The thing is ki in about to approach we have used extra space. It's not a matter of time complexity, but it is matter of space that, and it really costs like space complexity is really important that we not just need to think about time, but we need to think about space also, and it matters a lot. Like calculating time complexity and telling it's fine, but need reducing the space complexity also it's best. So we'll in this approach we will reduce the space that we were using in about to approach without using any extra space. We'll solve it. Then let's see what the approach. Let's what's my approach is here. Ki, whatever the first take a easy example that the sky is blue. That is the first one. Then we will increase what if ki there are more spaces, leading spaces, between spaces, like not just one space, there are so many spaces. We'll take that example. But let's say start from easier, then we'll go in complex. Start, let's say ki the sky is blue. Take this example. I'm taking here itself. First example is the sky is blue. So what's coming in my mind? Ki just reverse it and take word, reverse that word. Take word, reverse that word. Take word, reverse that word. Then ultimately, first we reversed the string, then we just reversing our words. So word reverse and again reverse, 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 cancel, and it will be basically original word. So words will get ultimately reverse. What I said, let me write it. I don't know how many of you get. The sky is blue. That's my. Let me that remove that one. And the sky is blue. First I said reverse the string. So after reversing, what happens? Keep what E U L B. Then space. Then Y K yes. Then space. Then E H T. Okay. And do I mix something? Okay. B B E U L B. Then yes I. Then Y K S. Then E H T. This will be the reverse string. Then I'm saying ki traverse from first until I get space. Take that word. Basically, I'm taking this word and reversing it. After reversing, what happens? BLUE. Then space. Then I will take next word and reverse it. That is yes I. That is reverse it. Yes I yes. Then take next word, reverse it. SKY. Then take next word and reverse it. That is THE. Blue is sky though, and that is our answer. Blue is sky though. So it works fine for this. But what if there is example number second like this such thing? We have leading space and at this back space also, post space also. So what we can do here, we will modify our string and we'll remove all the space. How? Let me tell you. I'll take one two pointer, one left, one right. I'll go. I'm traversing the whole string. I'll increase the right pointer until I finding empty spaces. Then I will copy, like, after the ending the empty spaces. If there are characters, then I'll copy the characters, like, from that index, right index character, until I get space. Till that, copy that those character to the left one, like first left one copy, then left plus plus, then right one copy, left plus plus. Basically, I'm shifting all the words to the left, then, and I'm giving just one space between it. Okay, so this will be first we'll create this hello, then one space and world. We'll see how we can do code this, but basically this is my idea. First we'll remove all the spaces, and then ऊपर का formula, like whatever we have done above, like reverse the string and reverse the string, and then we'll reverse the word, like this D L R O W space. Then we'll reverse the word, like, and okay, we left still left O double L E H. Now reverse the words. If we reverse that, it will become world, WRLD. And then if I reverse that OWLEH, it will become HEWLO. So yeah, good to go. We can do this. Yeah. So basically, first you had thought ki we can just we shrink it first, learn, and what will happen between that. And I'll tell you what I'm doing. Let's code it now. So what I'm saying ki we will use two pointer, one left, one right. So int left is equals to 0 and right is equals to 0. Okay, and let's take size. N is equals to s dot size. And while my right pointer is less than s dot size, that is n, what I will do, ki first I told you ki I'll go till I'll I'm getting space. So while my right is less than n and s at that right is equals to space, just increase the right pointer. We increase the right pointer. Now we want, now we if we get the string, or we can say if we get character, then what I want key, while right is less than n and yes at right not equals to space, what I want key, yes at left should be equal to yes at right. And then I want second, like, I copied it. Now go to the next index and right also go to the next index. So left plus plus, right plus plus. So this happened. Now what I want, ki I did left part, I did right part. Whatever the characters are there between, like, I went till I don't find the space, but I now I found the space at yes at right, and I don't want that. So this loop will break. But what happens that left and right, there are so many characters between it. Like, we already have copied it and we don't want it again. So we'll just put space between, like space for that character. We'll replace that character with space. So for int I is equals to left, I is less than right, I plus plus. What I will do, ki what if here left is n and right is n? Okay. In that case also, I think if on, like, I is equals to n and n is not less than n, but right will be also n. So okay, that that case is covering here. So I is equal to left, I is less than right, I plus plus. What I will do, yes at I is equals to space. If you're not getting this step, let me explain this because this is a bit complex, but good to know. Ki we will see how it works. That let take a good example. They have given third one, and our left pointer. This is my left pointer, and this is my right pointer. My left pointer, right pointer pointing at 0 first. Let me take 0 index, or you will understand, right? At 0 index that here, and I'll what happens ki yes at right no, equals to this equal to sorry equal to space no is right is less than n yes yes at right character or this is not equal to space no then copy this at left yes at left and yes at right and left plus plus right plus plus I have to give here a space so I'm taking left plus plus and here we go that here I take a let me make new string also that what I am copying that string. I took a. Let me make it new one. Okay, we'll do here itself. Okay, I took a. Now I'm my L plus plus. So L went to this L and my R plus plus. So R will be R will also here. Now what happens? Ki left plus plus. Let me see ki I is less than or equal to right. And this will be done when if my left is less than n then and then only we'll do this, that is when left is less than n at that time only I will run this loop and when this done then I'll do left plus plus and yeah right now it's here only like we copied it and we have r here right plus plus so right will go here left plus plus so left will go here. Again, I'm doing left plus plus here. It don't go here cause okay, like I less than here. Okay, okay. Let's don't write this. This is fine. And left plus plus. So my left again will go to G, and my right is here only. I'll go here. I'll say ki yes is goes to right like space then right plus plus. Then it will go here. Then what I have key right until right less than n and s at right is not equal to space. Copy this. So for G it will be copied and it will be it will go next. It will go next. For O it same happen. It will go next. It will go next. For D it will be same happen. It will go next. It will go next. Then we have oh what happened? Okay, huh. Right. Sorry. Then what I will do? Key it will go here then again left plus plus so my left will go here and my right will be go here like I copied B then left plus plus right plus plus but at the right it is empty space so it won't enter here and we'll go I is less than right I is equals to left but left is equals to right so it don't go here it will not enter in that loop then left plus plus so again left plus plus so we'll go here and here of in that in entering in that loop right will be plus plus until we have space so it will go until e and we found that at e it's not the space so it will break this loop and it will enter in another loop that when yes at right is not equal to space so we'll copy yes at right to the yes at left to here it will be e when I write no okay it shouldn't increase anything. Okay, this should happen, and then we'll yes L plus plus yes plus plus. So L plus plus, so it will be increase with 1, it will be increase with 1 index. We have to copy this here, it will be x and it will be increased to the 1 index, and it will increase to the 1 index, and again at E we'll take A and it will increase 1 index, it will increase 1 index, it will have yum, then also it will increase 1 index, it will increase 1 index, then we'll have P, then it will increase 1 index and it will increase 1 index, then we'll have L, then we'll increase 1 index, like here increase L, increase R, then we'll for P it will be E, and like we are copying from yes at the index at R and E, so this E will be here and here, then R will be at N. So what happened here, now R is equal to N, so this loop will break, and now this will loop will start, that what it says key yes is equals to left to yes, I is less than right, I plus plus, I have to I have to replace yes at I with empty character. So here what I will do, key left plus plus, what that was the left plus plus, so here uh, I'll just empty character, that nothing, then I will do L plus plus, and here also I will do what happened. Okay, now this is good, there will be nothing, like I replace that with empty character L plus plus, now L is equals to N, R is equals to N. So basically we excluded all the empty spaces and we cleaned our string, and now we will resize our string to the left minus 1, that now left is so far, and like left, my left will be here L, what I did, I don't want to do this, okay okay, this will be the answer, my L will not be here, my L will be here, and I want still, like I want string till here, so I will resize it, resize the string, yes dot resize, I have this function yes dot resize to left minus 1, and now what I will do, what I did in simple thingy, I just reversed it, so reverse it, yeah yes reverse the string yes dot begin and yes dot end, and let's start it, like now we have to reverse it again, so left is equals to 0, right is equals to 0, and my n is equals to new size of the string sizd, like sizd, and what I will do ki I will take, while my right is less than n, right is less than n, again I write the same thing, ki go till right is less than n, and my now I have removed all spaces, so I'll say ki we don't consider that thing, that condition, that yes at right is equals to empty space, now we'll say ki I at right shouldn't be equal to space, till that we'll do right plus plus, and we'll reverse the words, reverse yes dot begin plus left and yes dot begin plus right, basically it will be start from here and it will go till here plus right, okay, and this will happen, that right plus like left is equals, now we'll have left is equals to right and right plus plus, and after that we'll return yes itself, so return s. So here we didn't use any extra space, but we solved that question. Let's run it on test cases. What happened? What I did. Again the silly mistake. Yes dot size. Okay. Then check. It's saying wrong answer. Why? Because here I don't have any space. Here extra space. Here okay. It, but it near to what I was thinking. So let's see what we were thinking. Like we got the whole string, but we got some extra spaces here. So let's see ki my reverse string is what is my reverse string first. See out yes enter. So let's see ki what is the reverse string. Reverse string is fine. Like yesterday is this and for this also this one this much is only. And, okay, we have reversed the string, but we are filling here. So what happening? Ki yes plus okay left right plus plus. Okay, got it. My bad. I am taking the last index only of the word, whereas I have to take the next index. You get it? The words next index. Like it will be empty, then right plus plus. I have to take that left, but I took the previous one left. So right plus plus and left is equals to right. So run it. Now it should run. Not the second one. What happened in the second one? It says ki we took a space. How? We didn't took space, right? We took the space. This is the whole string. Okay. What we have done wrong here. Yes, at I is equals to this left plus plus and left minus 1 for word. Let's debug it now. My favorite work. Right is less than n. Yes, at right is equals to space right plus plus. So it will go until here. Then I will for h it will copy this left plus plus right plus plus. So HE double L O will get copied till HE double L O. Then I want this two space. I want three space. Let's do this. Then let's see what happens. Still I'm getting the space. Okay. I is equals to left and I less than equal to right and I plus plus. I wanted a space between that. So yes at left, yes at right, left plus plus and right plus plus. Okay, this is fine. Then what I want key from I is equals to left to I is equals to right. I want I want space, right? Right. So do I need to do right plus plus here also? Like it was equal to space, right? So I shouldn't do this. This is correct. But what happening here? Left minus one. This is yeah. And left plus plus. Uh, can we go to and now check my previous submission? But let me think here. Right plus plus, left plus plus, and s at I is equals to where am I including double space? No, single space only. So what happening? You're taking left minus one. Here, if let's say ki if right is equals to n, then just break it. I don't want the last one. Yeah, that was the problem. We were taking the last index also, like when the r is equals to n and my l still less than n. So till n I was taking the space, so it was greater, like its length will be, it will add one extra space at the end. That was happening, and it was happening because it has the space at last. For other two, it wasn't there. So it worked for two, but it didn't work for second. and let's submit it. We get accepted. Yeah, this video is too longer, but yeah, this is the optimal solution. The time for the time complexity, let's see what the time complexity here. This will take big of 1, this will take big of 1, this will take big of n time. Yeah, this will copying just take big of 1 time, so big of n, and yeah, big of n. And what happened? Mm, zero size left. Reversing take big of n. Again, we are from reversing the left to left. Yes, begin to left and yes, begin to right. So what happens ki we get the again reverse, again reverse. So n cross n basically it taking big of n square time, like here big of n and this is big of n. So basically our time complexity may be big of n square. I'm not sure guys, so I'm not commenting anything now. And the space complexity will be big of 1 because we are not using any extra space here. So yeah, space complexity, I was focusing on space complexity, and space complexity is equals to big of 1. I should have improved. For the time complexity, I need to check. I'm not gonna deliver any wrong, but check the time complexity and it tell me in comments. Okay, then bye bye guys.